Hi, this is a nature kid, and we've gone to a fence and found 2 horses. And this brown one is right here next to the fence.
What you tell him? He's like, come on now. I'm sorry.
You want to eat grass?
He finally got the nerve to eat it, and he'd already fallen on the ground.
Just throw it in there. Oh, he's eating grass from there. Oh, look. It's tearing it apart. Oh, well, cows do it from sideways, but that one doesn't. Ooh. Daddy, look, it did that thing. I don't think he's always shot now. Some horses are used to race, but these horses are kept as pets to ride.
And this is a horse, but there's one more over there that's black. But he just wants to stay over there. He's hungry.
Daddy, I don't know if that one is kept to red too. Right too. The only thing that been right. I think I got him to hear it with the sound. Want to pet him, Grace? Whoa. He spit on me.
He's hungry, isn't he?
Yeah. I know, on Stripes.
No, he looks like that horse.
think he looks like
that,
Jupiter?
yeah. He looks like that horse that was running on the beginning.
Yeah. They're together.
Coming.
Are you sure you don't want to pet it? It's okay.
I'm trying to, but it's just
But you shouldn't pet animals while they're eating. See? You want to? You can't, Grace. Grace, they just wiggle because there's flies on them all the time. Okay?
Yeah.
They used to make that sound, Grace. Daddy, I bought one when I get to ride a horse soon, so stay tuned for that video.